in the middle of a fierce lightning storm. When the midwife said this child will be a child of darkness, his mother replied, "No, he will be a child of light." As a child, Tesla was captivated by a photograph of Niagara Falls. His young age did not stop him from wondering how he could harness this awesome 24-hour gift of nature. 1896, the Tesla's invention of the alternating current induction motor enabled that same power to be transmitted far and wide. Today, Niagara Falls generates enough energy to power nearly 4 million homes. This success made it possible for us to build a national power grid that today connects millions of miles of power lines, providing energy to 145 million people across the United States. This tower rose 187 feet above you, tall enough to be seen from Connecticut. Did he ever turn on this tower? It was just a prototype. This would be one of many such towers Tesla imagined as part of a wireless transmission system that would circle the planet, providing voice and text communication, data, and power currents wirelessly. But our lives are infinitely better because of his work. And do you know the most valuable part of his legacy? The huge gift he left for all of us. He gave us the formula for following in his footsteps. Curiosity, yes. Every invention, every discovery begins with it. And how are we, together, going to make the world a better place?